In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set date format in Notion. If you've ever opened a database or a task list and paused because the dates looked unfamiliar, this quick update will make everything feel natural. Changing the date format helps match your regional style, reduces mistakes, and keeps your workspace consistent whether you're planning projects, tracking deadlines, or logging notes. Start by opening Notion and looking to the left-hand pane, also known as the sidebar. There. Click on Settings. This is your control center for how Notion behaves and looks for you. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, you'll find settings in the same spot and the process is identical. Next, select Preferences. This section focuses on personal display choices, the little things that make Notion feel right to you. It's where you can fine-tune how information appears without changing the content itself. Think of Preferences as your visual and regional tuning area. Within Preferences, you'll see a drop-down for date format. This is where you tell Notion how to show dates across your pages and databases. Common choices include month-first formats like 12/31, 2020s, day-first formats like 31/12, 2020s, and long-form styles such as December 31st, 2020s. Pick the format that matches what you're used to reading at a glance. If you collaborate with others, it can be helpful to choose the format most people on your team expect, which reduces confusion on shared timelines and due dates. Click on the drop-down and change it to your preferred style. The switch happens instantly. You'll notice dates in databases, properties, and page headers update to match your choice. This change affects how dates are displayed, not the actual underlying date data, so you won't lose any information. It simply improves readability to match your preference. And there you go. That's all you need to do. If you ever change your mind or start working with a different team, you can come back to the same spot and pick a different format just as easily. A quick tip. After changing the format, pay attention to how recurring tasks, deadlines, and timeline views look. When your dates read naturally to you, it's easier to make decisions and spot what's urgent. Thanks for following along. With this simple adjustment, your Notion workspace becomes more intuitive and less error-prone. Enjoy the cleaner, clearer date displays, and keep building a system that works the way you think.